Hey buddy, welcome to wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the following polynomial. So the polynomial given to us is minus of a plus 6 multiplied by 2a plus 5, and then we subtract minus of 6a plus 2. So according to the rules of algebra, we know that at first we have to calculate or we have to carry out all the operations which is present within the pair of brackets. Then we have to carry forward the multiplicative operation, and finally we will solve the difference operation. So within the pair of brackets we have minus of a plus 6 multiplied by 2a plus 5. So minus of a multiplied by 2a will become minus of 2a square. Then 5 multiplied by minus of a is minus of 5a, plus 6 multiplied by 2a is plus 12a, and then we have 6 multiplied by 5 which is 30, and then we have minus of 6a plus 2. So it will become minus of 2a square, 12a minus 5a is plus 7a, and then we have plus 30, and then minus of 6a minus of 2. So minus of 2a square, 7a minus 6a will become plus a, and 30 minus 2 is 28. So the final answer is minus of 2a square plus a plus 28. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.